Hi, welcome to Turner Time. In this tutorial, you will learn how you can take screenshot with double tap on the back of your iPhone. Double tapping on the back of your iPhone is the easiest way to take a screenshot. You will need to enable that in the settings. This process is shown in iPhone 17 and it works on previous iPhone models that have iOS 14 or newer versions. Let's learn how you can do that. Open the Settings app. Tap Accessibility. Tap Touch. Scroll to the bottom and tap Back Tap. Then choose Double Tap. Scroll down and select Screenshot from the list. Then tap on the back button to close Settings app. Now you can see here, when I double tap on the back of the iPhone, it takes the screenshot. If this tutorial helps you, please support us by liking this video. Also give us your comments and share this tutorial with others. Do you want to be more productive in using Microsoft 365? Get our upskilling program that covers the 7 silos, the pillars of productivity, so you can learn to save 1 to 2 hours each workday. For more info, send us an email at info@turnertimemanagement.com or call 855-778-8463.